Hey everyone, I'm here with a patient who
Feel a nice
has been
stretch
suffering
before
from
you
neck pain that travels into their shoulder
go ahead. Deep breath
and
in,
down behind their shoulder blade.
all
Let's
the way
check it out.
out. Oh, let this go.